Hi, hello friends, welcome back to vaanga, Neenga and Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel, and I hope you all are doing good and great. Thank you so much, and so many of you liked my last video, Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani, and many people has I guess you like the Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. I can see from that the comments and the view likes. Thank you so much, guys, and I just want to as I told you in my last video, I'm going to take you to the Christmas market. Before that, I just want to show you the Black Friday. What is Black Friday? Which is like a Black Friday sale. Usually it's happening all over the world, even in Western countries and many countries. And usually in the Black Friday they have a sale in half the price, or maybe the discounts or something like a rebate. Usually they will do during that time. So during that day, the Black Friday, all the shops have special promotions like discount price. Usually why they're doing like that? Because of maybe the old stock, or maybe like many things, I don't know exactly. So that's what we're going to see here, and these all the shops today and tomorrow they have the Black Friday sale, which is very famous here. So on this video I'm going to show you this Tea Centralen and Stora Toriet. That's a brand factory. They have so many brands of, and they also doing Black Friday sale. Please guys, I just want to apologize. Some of this video, I just fast forwarded. The reason, it's a huge part actually, like more than it's take for 35 to 45 minutes of video. So I don't have any option. I just want to make it very short. So I just cut down and I make a forward of the video. So please accept my apology and watch the video till end. Definitely you'll like it, guys. Let's go and watch the video.
Come on guys, today is the Black Friday sale and we're going to the shop and we get a lot of stuffs for the house. There is a lot of people behind crazy about the Black Friday sale. Yeah, of course it's happening everywhere in the western countries, and now started in all the countries. What is Black Friday? Black Friday means like very dark, and Friday, no, not that. Black Friday, it's usually it comes very next day of Thanksgiving. It started in 1869. There is two gold investors face big loss, so they want to improve the business. That's why it seems like they started this Black Friday. There is a lot of myth and stories behind that, but the thing we're not going to see that. But during the Black Friday, the people are standing for the long queue to get the stuffs. This is usually happening in US till now, and many other Western countries including Europe. We're going to watch what are the stuffs we get in Sweden.
Hi friends, you can see behind me, there is so many lightings arrangement. Usually it will be very beautiful in the daytime, but it's more beautiful than which is very beautiful in night. Perfectly, like lightings and everything. And this is the main spot for Stora Talk. From here to you have to start all the shopping place and everything. And this is called Maxi. They have lighting arrangement for the Christmas is coming, so they're doing that. And there is a Web Holland and System Bolgate and Pihus and Plant Tagen, like that. This kind of like gardening stuff. And on the other side you can find the Burger King, like a Glass Holes and Pizza Hut, so many stuffs. For the kids, you need a one-day time, to see all this place, so these are the places. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the video. We go inside the Maxi and see what they have. Believe me guys, it's really warm inside the shop. Outside is really freezing. It's almost like -10, but inside is really warm. But that's not a thing. Actually here, there is plenty of Christmas stuff, like a girl Santa and the Santa Claus toys, like there's so many dolls, the keeping, and everywhere the price is really less. I'm extremely sorry to tell you guys, maybe if you don't come here, you miss this chance. There is a lot of sale, and this is called Eula. It's called as, why it's called is Eula. It's not supposed to be Jula. Jula. In Swedish, why it's called
J is called as a Y, sorry, extremely. So it's called as a Eula, and here, you know, all the things, you know, all the products are very cheap price, you know, compared to, for example, you know, if it is like $200, you know, now the price is half the price, like $100. You know, a lot of stuffs like, you know, the menswear, like, you know, leather jackets, like for the winter jackets, even the kids jackets, and so many stuffs here, including the shoes. You know, the price is really cheap. You know, you can't even imagine. There is so many things around here. You know, oh my God, it's really cool. Like, you know, hunting stuff. You know, those people want to go for a hunting, they can find great stuff like, you know, the forest knife. You know, really nice. It's cool. Oh my God, I can find the final color, you know, for the gun. You know, those who are going for shooting, they can get this stuff. Is really great, and they have guns too. And
what you're seeing here, it's like store talk, you know, like all branded shops, you know, like clothes and shoes and watches and candies, and so many shops over here, almost like 150 branded shops. And you people also, you know, get tempted to come here. So come, let's go, guys.
so these are the 150 branded shop. You know, they are exporting all over the world, and they're making a huge business, the turnover every year. And this is outside the branded shop, and they have keeping a big Christmas decoration over there. And they, you know, usually, you know, other time it's really expensive, and during this Black Friday, you know, you can get it at half the price. And this is the main entrance, and this is the Link chocolate. It's a famous Swedish chocolate. You know, there is a lot of variety of tastiest, delicious chocolates, you know, perfect for the Thanksgiving or the Christmas or New Year. You can gift someone. The huge mountain here, you know, you can see there is a plenty of chocolates, and they're keeping here, and I'm getting tempted. And this is like, you know, clothes like winter jackets, and Morrison and Gucci, and there is so many shops, branded shop, like a street view. You can find perfect, you know, you get confused and sometimes which shop you want to choose, really. You know, Calvin, you know, there is a lot of shop. So you have to, you know, make up your mind when you go for this place. So you get the half the price. It's really cheap. And during this time, especially, I'm talking about, this is a restaurant dining. You know, if you're hungry, I'm hungry, I will have it maybe after this audio video recording. And these are the shoes, and this is the golf lover place. You know, if you really love the golf, so this is the perfect place. You know, I don't want to go inside because I am not part of it. So this is a golf place. You know, the people really want to, you know, get something like a golf game, so they can go there. And there's a sport, you know, like this is like a sports kind of stuff. You know, there is a outlets, like, you know, brands, and this is like a household stuffs, like, you know, bed or any like a mattress or something you can buy here. And this is a Husqvarna. This is like Swedish bike company, but here they're not selling a Swedish, you know, like a bike, but instead of that they're selling like gardening stuff, garden shaping and snow cleaning machine, like that kind of machine. We just go inside and see what they really have inside. And yes, exactly, this is like a gardening shaping machinery. And this
Hi, hello friends, and I hope you like the today video. And I have taken to so many shops and outlets like a sports kit and households and kid stuffs, and you know, so many stuffs. I know I don't know, even I just forget. You know, if I just want to recall, I want to see the video again. So and I hope you like all this video. And if you like the video, please just give your feedback and comments on below the video link. And as usual, what I say, the same thing. Stay tuned to Vaanga and Suthalam YouTube channel, and please press the bell button so you can get the notification for the next video. And we will explore, you know, so many places. And if you press the bell button, you get the notification for the next video. And as I told you, and as I promised you last time, and I will take you to the Christmas market, which is very famous. It's like completely covered with the snow, and like it's a new place. I don't know how it's look like, because that place I never been there, so I will take you there. So watch that video also. Then what I want to say, in my channel, you can see so many stuffs like cooking and sport, entertainments, and new places, and many things. So stay tuned. Vaanga Neenga, naan Ulagam Suthalam YouTube channel. I am Raja. I love you all, guys. Bye.